Welcome to Fintokei Monthly Mission Control. I'm Tina, your guide through this month's highlights. Wanna hear about the biggest payouts and traded assets? Curious who topped our trading competitions? Strap in and let's dive into what's been happening at Fintokei. Let's orbit around the globe and check out our top 5 payouts of the month. In the 5th place, we have Ho Tin from China. He took home $19,088 from our Pro Trader program. Next, in 4th place, is Eugene from Malaysia with an impressive $20,201 payout. She's also trading on Pro Trader. Now, let's see who accelerated to the top 3. In 3rd place, Andrea from Italy is earning $21,664 on Pro Trader. With $500 more, Rafał from Poland lands in 2nd on Pro Trader. And the biggest payout, it goes to Serbia. Alexander secured an incredible $30,072, marking the 44th largest payout in Fintokei history. Alexander's most profitable trade, it was on the Hong Kong stock market index. This trader seized the moment, pulling in an $8,204 profit on his Pro Trader account. Trading at Fintokei is an exciting ride. That's because you can choose from over 250 trading instruments, from forex and stock indices to energies and commodities. But this month, the most traded was gold. And for the most profitable instrument, the title goes to the NASDAQ, where the majority of successful traders seized their moment. So what's the bigger picture? Overall, we've paid out over $12 million, the average payout for a Fintokei trader. In 2024, a solid $4,450. We have an amazing holiday offer just for you. From December 4th to December 31st, you can purchase our program as gift vouchers. And here's the best part. For every voucher you buy, you'll receive a 15% discount on the same program. So don't wait. Surprise your loved ones or even yourself this holiday season. And we've got one more incredible offer for you. Buy one program and get a second account absolutely free. You'll unlock the second account after your first payout, which means you're already on your way to seeing results before you get the bonus. But hurry! There are only 5,000 spots available and they are going fast. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. And that was Fintokei Monthly Mission Control. We hope you enjoyed the journey. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next month.